It seems that more and more every day we are hearing something about the vegan lifestyle. Most of us probably know somebody who is a vegetarian or a vegan, or who simply seem curious about the idea of going meat-free. What exactly is the appeal? People go vegan for a number of reasons, most of which are very personal to them. Of course, you may find those who are very emotionally connected to their cause and seek to inform and educate others on cruelty-free procedures so that their message can be heard. Advocates of a vegan lifestyle can get a bad rap, probably because it seems like a very extreme adjustment, and some of the ways animals are treated can be truly heartbreaking. Some vegans may take it upon themselves to try and force others to care or understand in ways that can actually really turn the modern masses off of the message. Whether you want to learn more about veganism and what it means, or you are seriously considering a vegan lifestyle and want a guide to help show you the way, you have just come to the right place. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn the basics of going vegan and how it can benefit not only your body and mind, but also the world around us. You will understand what veganism actually means. You will be guided through all the questions you may have, and tools and resources will be provided for those questions this training may not address. You will even learn the difference between vegetarianism and veganism. You will also learn how to build new habits in your journey to beginning your new lifestyle. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Going Vegan, a complete guide to a cruelty-free diet. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is a vegan lifestyle and why does it matter? What is the difference between vegetarianism and veganism? Staying healthy while living vegan. Protein, protein, protein. Old habits die hard. Here's how. Identifying your values and sticking to them. Living vegan beyond the food you eat. Meal planning and preparation. Completing the vegan lifestyle with exercise and proper hydration. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually live a cruelty-free diet. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to be conscientious about the origins of the products you use in the foods you eat. You want to be as animal-friendly as possible. You want the world to avoid the inhumane practices utilized in order to feed the masses which cause needless suffering to animals. You want to stop animal suffering by refusing to support the industries that allow it. You really want to start living a real cruelty-free lifestyle. Does this sound like exactly what you need?
Audio preview.